Stellaria bengalensis. Researchers from the Center for Advanced Studies in Botany, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong discovered a new plant species and named it as Stellaria bengalensis. About S. bengalensis. It is the annual herb plant of the genus Stellaria, family Caryophyllaceae. It was found growing on muddy soil slopes at altitudes of 2,245 to 2,450 meters in the Sangzur Forest, Kalimpong. Characteristics. It is an annual herb growing to a height of 8 to 10.5 centimeters, characterized by white flowers, absence of bract, shorter petals or included within the sepal, sharp and pointed seeds. Flowering and fruiting occur during May to September. India has around 22 Stellaria species, mostly distributed in the Himalayan region. The researchers have for the time being assessed the new species as data deficient under International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN criteria. Other species, Stellaria mcclintocki, of the same genus, was found on Nellyampathy hills of Kerala. Tobacco Board of India. The Tobacco Board has undertaken several strategic activities to ensure the sustainability and growth of the tobacco industry. About Tobacco Board of India. It is a statutory body established on January 1, 1976 by an Act of Parliament, Tobacco Board Act, 1975, Act 4 of 1975. The board is headed by a chairperson and is responsible for the development of the tobacco industry. Functions. The primary function of the board is export promotion of all varieties of tobacco and its allied products. Its functions extend to production, distribution, for domestic consumption and exports, and regulation of flue-cured Virginia, FCV, tobacco. It ensures the smooth functioning of the farming system and to ensure fair and remunerative prices for tobacco farmers and the promotion of exports. Financial assistance is extended to farmers through banks, along with the necessary inputs for the production of quality tobacco. The board also engages in extension and developmental activities to promote sustainable tobacco cultivation practices. The board supports farmers by providing hand-holding assistance to produce tobacco of requisite quality to meet the standards of importing countries. Headquarters, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Nodal Ministry, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. India's tobacco industry. India is the second largest producer of tobacco in the world after China. India is the fourth largest producer of FCV tobacco in the world after China, Brazil, and Zimbabwe. India is the second largest exporter of unmanufactured tobacco, quantity terms, after Brazil. National E-Governance Award Scheme. Recently, the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, and Pensions issued the scheme guidelines for the 28th National Awards for E-Governance, NEEG 2025. About National E-Governance Award Scheme. It is recognized amongst the most competitive and prestigious digital governance award schemes in the country. The objective of the scheme is to recognize and promote excellence in implementation of e-governance initiatives. The NEEG Awards 2025 will consist of trophy, certificate, and an incentive of 10 rupees lakh for gold awardees and 5 rupees lakhs for silver awardees to be awarded to the district/organization for being utilized for implementation of project/program or bridging resources gaps in any area of public welfare. This year's 16 awards are being conferred under the NEEG 2025. Of these, 10 will be gold awards and 6 will be silver awards. For the year 2025, there are 6 categories under which the National Awards for E-Governance 2026 will be conferred. Government process reengineering by use of technology for digital transformation. Innovation by use of AI and other new age technologies for providing citizen-centric services. Best e-governance practices/innovation in cybersecurity. Grassroots-level initiatives for deepening/widening of service delivery with focus on initiatives by districts/ULBs/gram panchayats. Replication and scaling up of successful national awarded projects like NEEG, Prime Minister Awards and Excellence, awards conferred by other central ministries by state/UT/district, the NEEG 2024. Digital transformation by use of data analytics in digital platforms by central ministries, states/UTs. Nodal ministry: Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, and Pensions.